What if I told you this trade was already decided before price even reached this level? Today I will break down a real trade I took using a smart money strategy based on market structure, liquidity, order block, and fair value gap. I will show you exactly why I enter, where I exited, and most importantly, how smart money manipulated price before the move. This is not a random trade. This is planned execution. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you trade smart money concept or want to understand how institutions move the market, this video is for you. Today I will reanalyze a trade I took today and explain the logic behind step by step. Let's go to the chart. First, we will go towards the market structure and I will show you exactly how I trade this trade. So here we can see that clearly our market was in a bearish and we had a downtrend market. So after this market structure shift, we had the change of character, and then we could see that the market is making lower low and lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So the question is here that how I expect this area as a trade. And after the market structure that we could see clearly that the market structure is bearish. So what I expect from the market and where I was expecting to have a trade. In this 5-minute time frame, we can see clearly that here is order block. This is a great order block. Why it is a great order block? Because this order block could clean before itself, could clean this liquidity area. Exactly in this area it could clean it, and then what happens, market could give us again a break of structure with a high volume move. Then what happens, most of the traders, especially the beginner traders, also the teachers, those who are teaching in the YouTube or somewhere else, I saw their video that they say when the market could break this high, the first high, market give us a change of character. But exactly I want to tell you it's totally wrong. You should not trade like this. Maybe in here this market could give a high trade, but in the most of the time I can say 80% of the time it will not work. So this is not a change of character or church. It is totally wrong. Okay, so after the market structure, I marked my order block. This is my order block and my point of interest. Why? Because before itself it could clean the liquidity. Also it could give us the break of structure. And what is the fourth one? So here, if in 5-minute time frame we mark the fair value gap, it is so this fair value gap is a good confirmation also for us that this order block is a strong order block, and also itself make so many in a high level liquidity after itself. My entry was this high. Why? Because I know that the market is moving from one liquidity to other liquidity, so it was my entry model. Then I enter from this liquidity before confirmation. Why? Because in the low time frame we cannot take so much confirmation, so I was entering before the confirmation. We can see clearly that how powerful the price comes towards our order block, and then sweep the liquidity, complete the gap, and then even it was near to break the order block, but it couldn't break the order block. Why? Because it was the right order block and the great order block that we were expecting. And we can see how much powerful it comes down and it could give us our target. It was the entry model. If you want to learn this strategy step by step, I will upload more videos where I break down market structure, liquidity, order block, and entries in real trades. See you in the next video.